kanya na yun.
See, the thing
No,
is,
it's not. No.
there's no problem believing or not believing in God. In the end,
In the
we
end,
all
go
go
somewhere
somewhere
else.
else. Yeah. In the end, where the hell do we go?
Bula
Right? We don't
Under the
know.
ground.
We don't
That's where we
know.
go.
Yung maglaro ka na lang! Maglaro ka na lang!
Wait lang. Siya yung favorite song ko.
Uh-oh. I mean, I
Wala akong
respect you
pakialam.
for believing to God.
Ikaw, bakit may girlfriend ka ba?
Wala.
Ah!
Boy, nasaktan ako no? Nasaktan ako. Wala akong boyfriend
ba?
ngayon eh.
Oy,
Friendster
Pwede
yun.
ka sa ex ko, kaibigan
Ay,
na tayo tayo siya.
Sino actually? So what? Kung kaibigan...
Akala ko kayo pa.
What? Kaibigan ni Mama Dor, hindi natin katalo ang friend.
Oh, damn. Okay,
Kaibigan
kaibigan
ni
ka
Mama
man.
Dor.
Sorry.
Ay, kapatid! Anong kaibigan?
Alasig na siya.
Yeah. Sasabihin ko sana, kaibigan
Tanungin mo
natin
na
si
lang.
Mama Dor.
Ha? Tanungin mo na lang. Ito lang. Ito na tanong.
Basta,
Gusto mo ba si Christy?
Ha? Really?
Lasig na siya! Lasig na siya!
yeah, I know, that's what before, yeah, but now, no.
Why?
I moved on.
Why?
I moved on.
Why would she want Reese if she has 5 guys waiting for her?
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
damn!
Oh!
Damn! Hard
Hey,
job.
And just,
Sana
he
ako
got
yung
like a,
opposite.
and when I was,
They got money.
Hey,
They got
hey,
everything.
hey!
What?
She asked a question.
What's the question?
The question is,
Yeah, I know.
why
Sana
would she
merong
want Reese
tatlong babaeng
when she got 5 guys waiting for her?
Wala eh.
Because who gives
Wait,
a
why
damn
ka
about
lang
those
habang
5 other guys?
sasabihin
If a woman wants something, let her go after it.
The thing
Hooray!
is, she doesn't want Reese.
I don't know.
Ah,
Dati,
That's
oo,
what you
pero
know.
ngayon hindi na. Naka-move on ako, isang taon na din
friends.
yun.
that's
She's my homegirl. I know everything. I know everything from her sex life to her family business
I tell me this.
personal stuff.
So the flirting thing is,
What's her name?
whatever.
Ah, Desiree.
I know it.
What's her name?
She knows everything. She knows.
Desiree! Desiree!
Yo, stop calling
What's
my
her name?
name. She's
Oh,
calling
wait! What's her
my
name?
name.
Desiree. Desiree.
What the hell is that? It's
Alright.
Desiree.
Desiree. Yo.
Spell my name.
Desiree.
D-A-I-Z-Y-R.
Desiree.
R-I-E.
I-R-I.
I-Z-Z-Y. She doesn't even know how to spell your name. So why I say
It's hard.
What I say is stop that!
All I can say is,
Yo, this thing is spicy.